Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawn is going forward in this direction. As always guys, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so before we get into the correct move, first I want to tell you the general idea of this puzzle. Of course, as always, as most of my videos, most of my puzzles like this, we have to promote the pawn, right? So the bishop wouldn't be that much valuable after the pawn promoted to a queen, right? We can win without a bishop if this pawn has reached the promotion square and get promoted safely. So that is the thing you need to notice in this position, and we can't lose the pawn, right? So that is the general idea of the puzzle. But the knight would just do anything, black would just do anything to stop the pawn from promoting to a queen, and that would be just a problem for us. First, the obvious move, just pushing the pawn, sacrificing the bishop. That looks nice and that looks a brilliant sacrifice, but in this position black is not going to capture the pawn, right? Black is not going to do that. If black does, we simply give a check and we are winning like this. This is a check and this is a good idea, but this move doesn't work because black can play knight to d5. And now if you had a chance to look at that, black is defending the c7 square, which is very crucial square, and black is defending that square with two pieces, right? And we don't have anything to get rid of this knight. Maybe we can play bishop to e6, but that doesn't work. Black will just play knight to c7, right? So we can't control the d5 square and the square c7 with other piece, right? With the bishop can't do that. Technically it's a light square bishop and we can't do anything, right? Black would just play back and forth, right? So if we just defend this, black would play knight to d6 and black would just play back and forth, and if we just push, black simply captures that, and this is actually a draw. So that is not the solution here. Pushing the pawn to c6 is not the solution. And the correct move in this position is to play bishop to e6, right? So it's not a pawn move, so it must be a bishop move. We can't do anything with the king. The king is just positioned perfectly, so that is nice. What is the idea behind bishop to e6? Well, if you had a chance to look at it, black can't get any closer with the knight, right? So the bishop is just dominating the knight, and in chess you can put your bishop 2 squares away, 3 squares away actually, just leaving 2 open squares between them. You can put the bishop that position, and that bishop could control the entire position or mobility of the knight, and the knight cannot move any forward anymore, right? The knight can move to these squares, but it doesn't make sense, right? So the knight wouldn't do that. So what else can black do in this position? So on the next move, obviously we are threatening to push, and black has to do something. So what can black do? Well, if black moves the knight like this, we simply push the pawn, and black has to move the king now, right? Otherwise we would just give a check, and we simply make a queen, and there is no way black can win this, right? So I mean, black can't get a draw, that's what I mean, and that is kind of a dumb move. These knight moves are dumb. So black may play king to e7. That is a bit stronger move than moving the knight, attacking the bishop. So what should we do in this position? Should we save the bishop, or what else should we do? Well, the best move is to push the pawn to c6. So what is the idea? Well, the idea is the bishop is still blocking the knight from getting any closer, right? And we have pushed our pawn, meaning we get one step closer to the promotion. After two moves we would get a queen, and in this position, if black captures the bishop, we push, and now black can't reach us. Black simply can't stop the pawn from queening, and obviously we are winning this. So this is the solution. If you found all of that, I want to congratulate you guys. And for a recap, this is the first position. First we are going to play bishop to e6, and now the knight is basically immobilized and can't move, so black must move and get rid of the bishop. So we just push, and after black captures our bishop, we push again, and simply now black cannot do anything to stop the pawn, and we are going to win the game. So this is the whole thing, guys. I am planning starting a new YouTube channel. So most of you guys like to see puzzle videos. I saw on analytics, and I come up with a math problem analysis and study, and I would have a lot of puzzles right there. The channel is presented on the screen, and that would be our channel, and I will present it. And currently I am taking a course, and I am kind of student that is, safe to say, nerd, and I can explain maths very well. So make sure to check it out. I'll see you there as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you there and on the next video of mine.